what could possibly be in this package? Could it be the replacement fan for the Opolar box fan that broke on me when I said I was going to get a replacement? Well, this is the regular AA/USB version of it. And yes, it is black. It is the same as the guzzle lid, that off-the-wall brand name. Here's another off-the-wall brand name, Opolar. But this is a hell lot better than having the one that died on me because the built-in rechargeable battery couldn't be replaced and because it wasn't USB. But we're going to go ahead and take this out and take a look at it. So hold on one second because I don't want to try to wrestle with this on camera. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what we have. First of all, right off the bat, we got some informations. It says send a thank you note. So it's basically a thank you note from the manufacturer thanking me from purchasing their fan. It's basically what those informations are. Let's see what else we have. Some more information here. Looks like we got some more information from Amazon. I'm sorry. 1 second here. From Amazon. Some information. A lot of information, huh? Alright, let's see what we got here. And this is the F631. The F631 AA battery operated desk fan. It is also USB. Thankfully, it just takes regular batteries. And we'll get into it in a minute. 1 second. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the box and let's see what we got. I'm hoping I can pull this out of here without a free show. Every time I get to this part, I always have to end up editing the video because it's always a free show when I want to pull it out. So let's see what happens here. Yep. I'll tell you what, let's try it this way because I don't feel like editing it. So I'm gently going to just try to get it out of here this way. Y'all gotta forgive me today. I don't feel like editing the film. So I ask that you do forgive me for this. I know it's not professionally done, but what else is new? There wouldn't be a video without a free show anyway. So looks like we have a power source here. Oh, we did get that. Now I'm trying to pull the fan out. It's having a hard time because, well, obviously I'm filming with one hand and I'm trying to pull the fan out with the other. I'm pretty sure all of you in the comment box are going to say, well, how come you didn't put it on the camera on the tripod and just do it like that? It would have been better if had you put the camera on the tripod and then you wouldn't have to go through all that. Well, I understand that, but again, I didn't feel like going through all the trouble, so I ask that you don't get on here and be rude about how come I didn't put my camera on the tripod, because I didn't feel like it. So I ask that you forgive me and don't be rude. All right, here we go. I'm pulling this thing out of here now. Plus, I'm in a tight spot anyway, and I don't feel like going over to the studio table where I film. We're going to get this out of here now, out of the plastic. It looks like this is brown, but maybe that's just because the light is on it. But actually, it's black. Don't get too excited. It's exactly just like the Guzalad one, just with a different brand name on it. So I'd rather have the USB regular battery operated than the other one I had where it caused a major freeze. So yes, the blades are black, and yes, it's going to get a lot of use, and yes, it's going to get dirty just like the other one is, which I got to do a video of the other one cleaning it up. So you got your timer and then you have the speeds. Very simple, very basic fan here, nothing too exciting to see, just a replacement for the other garbage one that was rechargeable. Now I could put regular AA rechargeables in here and just regular AA batteries. There's the information. I'm pretty sure you can't see it too clear. I do apologize for that. See what I can do here. Not so sure you can read that because it's blaring and the camera don't feel like focusing for some reason. There it goes. It's a camera freak show right now. I don't want to focus. Oh well. I do apologize for that. Oh well, whatever. Okay, what else is new, right? Okay, now it's focused. Let's try it one more time. I ask that you bear with me today. The light is a little bit of a blare. Unbelievable. Oh, there it goes. Alright, let's do this. If you want to read the information on the tag here, just pause the video and read the information on the tag. Alright, that's enough because I got to get on with this video. Camera's being a butthole. And I don't want to cooperate. Okay, I'll be right back and we're going to run this real quick. Hold on, my battery's died. I got to hurry up. So I'll be right back. Real quick, here's the user manual for this fan. I'm not going to get into all of that. You already know what the user manual is. Be right back. Then we can run the fan. Okay, so let's see it run real quick because my phone is getting ready to die. And low. Don't get too excited. Low is just a gentle breeze. Medium. High. High is 2,000 RPMs. The maximum is 2,020. That's just how fast it spins to produce air. It's pretty quiet. It is moving quite a bit of wind, that's for sure. This is very easy to clean. I think it has it. Yep, it does. These two holes right there, that hole right there, and that hole right there, makes it very easy to pull the guard off so you can clean it. Whereas before, you used to have to try to play around with it until you can figure out how to pull the guard off to clean the fan. Thankfully, that's not the case with this one, but it is the case with the other one I got. That's an older model. It's before they made it like they do now. Okay, so there you go. Yes, it's going to get a lot of use. And the spin down is not all that long. Don't get excited. Go. Alright. I'm not exactly sure if it has one, but what the heck. You know what? For the heck of it, we're going to try it anyway. I'm not exactly sure it has a start sound, but we're going to try it on high. See? Okay. Not necessarily a startup sound, but if that's how you want to look at it, I guess you could say it has one. Off to the side a little bit. Polar. Thanks for watching. This is the replacement, and I hope you enjoyed the video. More videos come soon. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. God bless you, and gone.